Ahimsa. Ahimsa means harmlessness. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Non-violence is the highest virtue. There is no other virtue that is higher than ahimsa. Ahimsa is a practice to avoid injuring all living creatures. It is a practice to live without violence. Ahimsa means not giving any pain either by action, speech or thought to any living being at any time. By ahimsa, all living creatures live enmity. Test of ahimsa is the absence of jealousy. Practice of ahimsa by kaya, that is by deed, is to observe non-violence by your body. Do not injure others physically. Practice of ahimsa by vacha, that is by speech, is you should observe non-violence by your words. Speak a good language using clean words. Practice of ahimsa by manasa, that is by thought, is you should observe non-violence by your thoughts. Do not think bad of others. Keep the mind busy with divine thoughts. In ahimsa, you should not hurt others. But when others try to attack and hurt you, you have all the freedom and right to protect yourself. If anyone opposes you, you need not react with hatred and violence. Practice ahimsa according to your lifestyle. Steadily increase the practice to cover all aspects of your life and the world you are living in. So, stop killing, speak gently, abandon the thoughts of hate. Do not inflict pain even on yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.